Have you ever thought about what happens to your loved ones when you're not around? It's a question we all must face at some point. It's a part of life's unpredictability. We don't like to dwell on it, but it's crucial to consider the future, especially for those we care about. Life is full of surprises, some pleasant, others not so much. We can't predict what's around the corner, but we can make sure we're prepared. And that's where the concept of life insurance comes in. Think of life insurance as a safety harness, a safeguard for the future. It's a promise, a pledge to protect your loved ones even when you can't be there physically. It's about ensuring that the people who matter most to you aren't left in a lurch, providing them with a financial safety net. Life insurance is a solution that provides a safety net for the future, but what exactly is it? Let's delve into this question in our next scene. Life insurance, in its simplest form, is a contract between you and an insurance company. Now let's break down this concept. Picture it as a pact you make with a company where you agree to pay a certain amount regularly during your lifetime. This amount is what we call a premium. It's like the ticket price for the security and peace of mind that life insurance provides. This contract between you and the insurance company is often referred to as the policy. It's like a detailed rule book outlining the terms and conditions of your agreement. It specifies how much you need to pay, how often and under what circumstances the company will pay out the agreed sum to your loved ones upon your passing. Now, who are these loved ones we keep mentioning? In the world of life insurance, they're referred to as beneficiaries. These are the people you've chosen to receive the payout from your policy when you're no longer around. It can be your spouse, children, siblings, or even a charity of your choice. And that brings us to payout. The payout, or death benefit as it's often called, is the lump sum your beneficiaries receive from the insurance company when you pass away. The size of this payout is predetermined and agreed upon when you take out the policy. It's like a safety net, ready to catch your loved ones in a time of need, providing them with financial security in your absence. So, to sum it up, life insurance is a contract where you pay regular premiums to an insurance company. In return, they promise to give a set payout to your chosen beneficiaries upon your passing. It's a way of saying, even if I'm not there, I've got you covered. And there you have it, life insurance, a simple yet powerful tool for ensuring the financial stability of your loved ones when you're no longer around to provide for them. So now that we know what life insurance is, the next question is, why do we need it? Why do we need life insurance? The answer lies in its benefits. Life insurance isn't simply a contract between a policyholder and an insurance company. It's a financial safety net, a reassurance, a promise that even in the face of life's most inevitable event, your loved ones won't be left stranded in a sea of financial uncertainty. One of the most significant advantages of life insurance is the financial security it provides to your family. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that even when you're no longer around, your spouse can still pay the mortgage, your children can still pursue their education, and your family can maintain the lifestyle they are accustomed to. That's the power of life insurance. In addition to this, life insurance can cover the costs of a funeral and other related expenses. It's a harsh reality, but funerals can be expensive, often leading to financial stress during an already emotionally challenging time. With a life insurance policy, these costs can be covered, relieving your family of this burden. But life insurance can be more than just a safety net or a means to cover funeral costs. It can be a tool for leaving a legacy. You could structure your policy to provide a donation to a charity close to your heart, leaving a positive impact long after you're gone. Or perhaps you'd like to secure a nest egg for your children or grandchildren, giving them a head start as they navigate their own financial journeys. In essence, life insurance is about control. It's about having a say in how things pan out when you're not around, about ensuring your family's financial stability, and about leaving a legacy that goes beyond your lifetime. So, we circle back to the question, why do we need life insurance? It's because life insurance is more than just a policy. It's a pledge to protect, support and care for the ones we love, even when we're not there to do it in person. Life insurance indeed provides a lot of benefits. But how does one decide which policy to choose? Choosing the right life insurance policy can feel overwhelming, but understanding the different types can make it a bit simpler. Let's delve into the world of life insurance policies. They primarily come in three flavors: term, whole, and universal life insurance. Each has its unique features, benefits, and yes, a few drawbacks too. Term life insurance is akin to renting a house. You pay for the policy for a specified term, say 20, 30, or even 40 years. If you happen to meet your maker within that term, the policy pays out to your beneficiaries. However, if you're still kicking at the end of the term, the policy simply ends with no payout. It's an affordable way to get coverage, but it's temporary. Now imagine owning a house instead. That's what whole life insurance is like. As long as you keep up with the premiums, the policy remains in force for your entire life. It also builds cash value over time, which you can borrow against. It's more expensive than term insurance, but it provides lifelong coverage and a guaranteed payout upon death. Then we have universal life insurance. It's a bit like having a custom-built house. It offers lifelong coverage like whole life insurance, but with more flexibility. You can adjust the premiums and death benefit as per your needs. Plus, it also builds cash value, which can be invested for potentially higher returns. But with greater flexibility comes increased complexity and cost. Choosing between these policies depends on your individual needs and circumstances. Perhaps you need coverage only until your kids are grown up and independent. In that case, term insurance might be a good fit. Or maybe you want to leave a legacy for your heirs or a favorite charity. Then, whole or universal life insurance could be the way to go. Choosing the right policy is a significant decision, but remember, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Each policy has its place, and the best one for you is the one that fits your life. It's your journey, your story, and your insurance policy should reflect that. Life insurance is not just about planning for the end, it's about securing the future. This statement encapsulates the essence of our conversation today. We've journeyed through the world of life insurance, dissecting its definition, unraveling its many benefits, and underlining the crucial task of selecting the right policy. Life insurance, as we've learned, isn't a morbid bet against one's life. Rather, it's a beacon of support, providing financial stability to loved ones when they need it the most. It's an umbrella of protection, safeguarding your family from the economic storm that often accompanies the demise of a breadwinner. Choosing the right policy is of paramount importance. It's like choosing a life partner. You need to understand your needs and wants and ensure that the policy you opt for aligns with those. It's an investment in the future, a guarantee of support and stability. Remember, life insurance is not for the people who die. It's for the people who live and continue to love you even when you're not around.